Central Park Resorts located in Sector 48, Gurgaon. Hello everyone, my name is Krishika and I am from Prime Estate, and today I am here at Central Park Resorts located in Sector 48, Gurgaon, and right behind me you can see the iconic Bella Perla, which is a 32-story building comprising of 1 BHK and studio apartments. The project is spread across 50 acres of land area, where 20 acres is dedicated to the green area. So right behind me is 84,000 square feet clubhouse, the Club Capri. Here talking about the amenities, you get 2 swimming pools, 1 temperature controlled swimming pool and 1 outer swimming pool. Talking about the other amenities, here you get a library, a bar and dining area, spa, gym and so many other things. The project is very close to some of the most reputed schools, hospitals, shopping malls, and the best part about the project is they have an in-house clinic as well, which is operated by Medanta. So right now we are at Bella Perla, where you get 13 to the core units at a floor. Here you get 7 1 BHK apartments in the front and 6 studio apartments in the back. So now let's have a tour of the actual 1 BHK apartment. So here in the door you have this digital lock. So right when I enter, on the right side you get this storage area. यहाँ पे a proper storage area आपको मिल रहा है. On my right is this kitchen area, and this kitchen storage area you get all of it, everything that you see right now here, from fridge. You also have this big storage area as well. So everything that you see right now here, from the chimney, the hob, the dishwasher to oven to the crockeries as well, ये सब कुछ as it is you're gonna get at the time of booking. And here is the very spacious living space. ये fully automated है, Alexa based living space आपको मिल जाती है. And one more thing that I like to include is यहाँ पे कोई पिलर नहीं है, you can see, so that you can enjoy इस रूम से बैठे बैठे ही, लिविंग स्पेस से बैठे बैठे ही आप द बालकनी में जाने के लिए कोई पिलर नहीं है, तो you can enjoy the view directly without any interruption, which is the best part I feel. Now let's move forward to the washroom area. On my left I see this washroom area. Best part about the washroom is यहाँ पे temperature control floor आपको मिल जाता है with a temperature control seat, toilet seat as well. And washroom में भी जो भी चीज़ें as it is आपको दिख रही हैं वैसे ही मिलेंगी. From this glass partition यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है एक bathtub and every fitting, जैसे कि everything that you see right now, from hand wash to the hand fittings, everything you see is as it is you're gonna get. Now this washroom also connects to the other room as well. Now let's have a tour of the room. So this is the room area, and here you can see the washroom which connects to the room and the hall as well. So on the right side I can see, on my right is this big wardrobe space. Now coming to the height of the room, it is 11.5 feet, and the best part about the room is this amazing view wali balcony. Oh my God, mesmerizing view. ग्लास डोर की अगर मैं बात करूं तो ये डबल ग्लेज ग्लास डोर है with noise cancellation and temperature control. Now I can see this amazing view of the greens. Oh my God, super mesmerizing. यहाँ पे आपको ग्लास फसाद मिल जाता है, लेकिन बालकनी की स्पेस इतनी ज़्यादा बड़ी है. Oh my God, इतनी बड़ी स्पेस बालकनी की है. It's actually very, you can come here, chill with your friends, family. And on my right, oh my God, I see the best part about the apartment is this temperature controlled jacuzzi. So that was the tour of the sample apartment. अब मैं पेमेंट प्लान की बात करूँ तो पेमेंट प्लान यहाँ पे आपको बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल मिलता है, और हर पेमेंट के बाद आपको एक डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम भी मिल जाता है. एंड गुड़गांव की प्रॉपर्टीज़ की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो ऑब्वियसली हर 6 महीने में अप्रिशिएट होती है, उसका प्राइस बढ़ता ही बढ़ता है. और अगर सेंट्रल पार्क की प्रॉपर्टीज़ की बात करूँ तो आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड टू एलैबोरेट एनी मोर. And the best part I like to include is इनका एक similar, और I can say इससे कई गुना ज़्यादा better और best project I would say आने वाला है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे में in the sector 104. तो if you want to know more about this project or that project, you can contact us on the number given below. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. This is Krishika signing off.